how to rearrange your profile grid on Instagram. So if you want to rearrange your profile grid on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram application. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right. From here, you need to go with edit profile. Once you're on your edit profile, you need to scroll down, and here you will have edit grid option. You can tap on edit grid and change the appearance of the videos or post on your profile. But if you don't have edit grid option, then what you need to do is just go back, open up your Play Store, go with search and search for Instagram. And if you have any updates on your Instagram, you need to go and update it. And after updating, you'll find that option because it's a new update and it might not be easily available in your region. So you need to wait for a few days or a few weeks to get an update. And after updating, you'll find edit grid option. Once you find the edit grid option on your edit profile section, you'll be able to change or rearrange your profile grid on your Instagram. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.